هغه پر ما باندې ډیر ګران ده. He is very dear to me. He is very dear to me. Don't hang up. Or مړ کړه. Put out the fire. Put out the fire. تا سره نغدې پیسې شته؟ Do you have cash? Do you have cash? روژه را روانه ده. The fast is coming. The fast is coming. هغه مې ډیر تنګوي یا ډیر مې ځوروي. He disturbs me too much. He disturbs me too much. موږه اور بلوو. We are making a fire. We are making a fire. ستا روژه ده؟ Are you fasting? Are you fasting? ته زما خبره ولې نه اورې؟ Why don't you listen to me? Why don't you listen to me? مهرباني وکړه دلته امضا وکړه. Please sign here. Please sign here. یوه دقیقه صبر وکړه یا 1 منټ انتظار وکړه. Hang on a minute. Hang on a minute. هغه ډیر بد اخلاقه سړی ده. He is very stupid person. He is very stupid person. زه ژمنه کومه. I promise. I promise. ضرورت نشته یا اړتیا نشته. Not required. Not required.
دا واخله. Take this. Take this. د بیا لیدو په هیله. See you soon. See you soon.
دلته صبر وکړه. Wait here. Wait here. ته مې یادېږې. I miss you. I miss you. سګرټ څکول دلته منع دي. Smoking is not allowed here. Smoking is not allowed here. زه دا یو غواړم. I want this one. I want this one. دا په څو ده؟ How much is it? How much is it? نن ورځ هغه مریض ده. He is sick today. He is sick today. تو اوس چیرته یې؟ Where are you now? Where are you now? څه در باندې شوي دي؟ What's wrong? What's wrong? What's wrong? خپل بوټان دې وباسه. Take up your shoes. Take up your shoes. دا یو ډېر لوی غم ده. It is a big grief. It is a big grief. Grief وای غم ته. هغه مه خبروه. Don't inform him. Don't inform him.